Here's a quick tip for my students. If you purchase these scrubber brushes that are too severe for the paper, what you can use them for is cleaning your palettes. So if you take the scrubber brush and you just go along all these, and these are my student palettes, so they get quite messy. But if you just go along and scrub up all the dried pigment, then you just take a paper towel. And these palettes do stain, so be aware of that. Don't let that bother you, because they still are very good little palettes to use for classes and for travel. This one is these are the ones by Mr. Pen that I get on Amazon. And the other, my favorite, is the Magello Mission palettes. But as you can see, you can get into the crevices really well with these scrubber brushes. Because as you know, if you don't get these clean, your paints are going to be contaminated. So it's real important to get all this dried paint out of your palette. So there you have it. There's a little quick tip for you, because those scrubber brushes are entirely too severe, in my opinion, to use on watercolor paper, because they will destroy your paper. So there you have it. An easy use for them.